What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to download and install third-party apps APK on your Fire TV stick. So if you want to be able to use third-party apps that are probably not on the app store of your Fire TV stick, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now over here I have my Fire TV stick Lite, but it doesn't matter the type of Fire TV stick you have, whether you have the Fire TV stick 4K or the Fire TV Cube or the Fire TV Lite just like this one, or even an actual Fire TV. Following similar steps, you should be able to download and install any third-party app APK you want on your Fire TV stick. Now to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Fire TV stick is connected to the internet. And once that is done, you want to head over to the app store of your Fire TV stick. So using your remote control from the home of your Fire TV stick, you just want to navigate to the app store over here. If you do not find the app store over here, you can as well just scroll over to this search icon over here, then scroll down and you're going to see the app store over here. Just go ahead and open it up directly from here. And once the app store loads, you want to scroll down and then come over to this search icon at the top left corner of your app store of your Fire TV stick. So just come over here and then enter this input field. Now you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. It's a very popular app, and this is the app we are going to be using to download and install other third-party apps into our Fire TV stick. As you can see, there is the downloader suggestion over here, so I'll just scroll down and select it. Now you want to select this Downloader app by AFTV News, and then make sure you download and install this app into your Fire TV stick. Go ahead and give it some minutes to complete the downloading process. And once the download is completed, before you go ahead to open up the Downloader app on your Fire TV stick, come back to the home of your device, and then you just want to scroll horizontally until you get to this icon over here, that is your profile icon. Now scroll down again until you get to my Fire TV option at the bottom. Select that. Now at this point, what you want to do is to select the About option and then go ahead and click on the name of your Fire TV device over here 7 times to enable the developer options on your Fire TV stick. So I'll just go ahead and press it for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, I am already a developer, but if you're not a developer, you're going to see that it will now turn you into a developer. Now once that is done, come back to the previous option and you're going to get these developer options on your Fire TV stick. Select that option and then under the install unknown apps, select that, and you want to make sure that you enable this permission for the Downloader app we just downloaded and installed into our Fire TV stick. Now you can now go ahead and open up your Downloader app. So come over to the list of apps and then you just want to go ahead and open up the Downloader app. It is over here at the bottom. Now go ahead and give Downloader permission to access files on your Fire TV stick and then click on OK. And at this point, you just want to head over to the browser tab, usually at the top left corner of your Downloader app. So scroll over to the left hand side and then come over to the browser tab over here. Select that option. Now what you just want to do is to navigate over to this input section over here, and then you just want to go ahead and wipe out everything inside of this input field. And then at this point, you want to type the name of the third-party app you want to download and install into your Fire TV stick that is not on the App Store. So take for instance, if we want to download and install the Facebook app into our Fire TV stick, basically what we'll have to do is to type Facebook. You can go ahead and type the name of the specific third-party app you want to download and install into your Fire TV stick. And then you want to add APK, so the name of the app you want to download and install into your Fire TV stick, then APK at the back. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on the Go button over here and then click on Go. Now the Downloader app is going to use the Google search results to give us some of the websites we can actually get that third-party app APK from the internet. So what you want to do at this point is you just scroll down continuously until you find any of the reliable websites you can actually download and install that third-party app into your Fire TV stick. In this case, since I am downloading and installing the Facebook app, this is actually the official Facebook website, so I'll click on that. And once the website loads, just look for the Download APK button and then make sure you download and install that third-party app APK into your Fire TV stick. You can now give it some few minutes to complete the download process. Once the download is completed, that particular third-party app APK will automatically start installing itself into your Fire TV stick. At this point, you just want to scroll down and click on the install button at the bottom over here. And just like so, we've been able to download and install a third-party app that is not on the app store of our Fire TV Stick into the device. Now you can go ahead and open up this third-party app APK directly from here by just clicking on the open button. But before we do that, usually I recommend you click on the done button first so that you can now delete this Facebook APK file from your Fire TV Stick so as to avoid it consuming a lot of space on your Fire TV Stick. So the app has already been installed, you don't have to worry, just go ahead and delete the Facebook app APK. And at this point, you can now come back to the home of your Fire TV Stick and then scroll over to where you have the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Select that, and if you scroll over to the bottom, you can now see that we have the Facebook app running smoothly on our Fire TV Stick. I can go ahead and open it up directly from here, and you can literally see that it works absolutely well. So you can go ahead and do this for any third-party app or APK you want on your Fire TV Stick, and trust me, it will work perfectly well for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.